Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. Plenty of material to cover in this video. We're going to examine Bitcoin, the Bitcoin chart, and the future of Bitcoin's price. Listen up, folks, we're going to discuss the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit and examine both the ups and downs of this matter. A negative momentum is at play here. Are we going to discuss the possibility of XRP reaching $24 to $31? We have a crypto TA analyst here who is dishing out his thoughts on the elite wave, and those are the coins he plans to invest in. Regarding that, I have you covered. In addition, we will discuss the Spanish cryptocurrency exchange's new XRP debit card, which will return 9% of your investment. Wow, you heard that right. Hence, let's dive into a Bitcoin $63,554 right now, shall we? The price of Ethereum has dropped by 9% in the previous 24 hours, from $26.43 to its current level of $2,643. USDT and USDC have both fallen to their dollar pegs, but XRP has remained relatively stable at 58 cents. At the moment, it has gained 3% in the last day. Market capitalization for all cryptocurrencies, $2,246 billion. I don't know what to do next. At this very moment, the moon, I have you covered. As Carl put it, hey, check this out. On a daily basis, the EMA ribbon indicator is turning bullish. Here begins the much anticipated Bitcoin pump. He believes that Bitcoin will soon experience its pump. Bitcoin aims to reach $74,000. All it takes is one misstep to ruin an otherwise amazing evening. Get in there. A market upswing has begun. He is staring at that. Cryptocurrency tightening, Bitcoin's minimum aim is $127,000. He predicts a breakout somewhere around the $75,000 area. Fascinating, isn't it? Around the 74 mark, he mentioned that the inverted Bitcoin chart seemed to be developing a head and shoulders pattern. Upon examining the chart, it is typically apparent that it is inverted. These are the goals for the lowest pricing points. He turned it upside down, though, so that the lesser numbers now appear first and the higher ones last. My projections for the end of the year are 127,000 or more if this thing does truly break out past 74, as he is thinking. It's easy as pie. Every single day, I come on here and talk about them. At the end of the year, Bitcoin's body will be worth 100,000, and the biggest hurdle we need to pass is 74,000. All of the cryptocurrency markets will experience a surge in activity once Bitcoin begins to decline. We received a whale alert because cryptocurrency is volatile. On Binance, a whale just purchased 1,343 Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is worth more than $85 million, I'm afraid. What gives them the idea to start amassing so much? Maybe they have a clue about what's going to happen. Even though we've already reached our top, many are eager to bring up the bull runs. This will be brought tumbling down again. The stories are out there since we didn't even have an alternate season. Many are becoming pessimistic as a result of our continued float in the ranges we have been discussing with you for months. This is basically Chop City for us. People tend to get ahead of themselves, but we've been warning you about the obstacles we need to overcome and the places where we should aim our attacks. I don't mind, though. Anxieties takes control. Okay, I see. Believe me when I say that being around you makes me aroused. Since we showed you the historical trajectory of Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency markets, why are these whales purchasing so much? We thought they didn't anticipate a price increase. When it comes to cryptocurrency, October is usually a highly bullish month. October will be here in only 7 days. This is an election year, therefore the outcome will determine whether there is a huge surge or slump. Still, a bull run is inevitable, so it's irrelevant who gets elected as crypto's champion. The only question is, how far will we really travel? The question will be that. In my opinion, we are looking at a range of 3 to 5, $4 to $7 trillion if Trump is elected, and $7 to $10 trillion if he is not. Here it is, set aside. For a long time now, I have been at peace. Proceed if you do not believe me. Swell, check it out. In just a few weeks, the XRP ledger will see the largest mint of Ripple stable currency, with an adjusted value of 485 RLUSD. On Ethereum, we may observe a value of 560 RLUSD, which is, yes, quite little. They will gradually begin to ratchet this up, though it is not a lot. By showcasing and discussing the Ripple stablecoin on XRP and Ethereum at Swell, I would expect them to be putting this all in sync. This, in my opinion, is the major revelation or insight that will be derived from Swell. Maybe I'm incorrect. I might be correct. It is possible that they will also announce more fireworks displays. Maybe the lawsuit has been officially dismissed. By then, news of an SEC appeal would have reached us, and Swell would have followed shortly after. Perhaps it is where we will get the news when Brad makes his public debut to launch the Swell event, ALTS 9. Interesting perspective, according to Trade. Things could become difficult if XRP fails. With the trend line being weak and the distribution being protracted, hedging would be a good decision. You are aware that the extra funds I have are sitting on the sidelines at the moment, but you should always be ready for market volatility. The price of XRP might fall to the lower 50-cent area if Bitcoin's price falls back down to 52 to 55 cents. If we do go back down, I'm going to purchase, but XRP isn't going into my wallet. Other assets will be purchased by me. I've been investing in XRP. With the start of 2017, I am prepared for this bull run, and I have a nice bag of XRP, so believe me when I say that. My life is permanently changed by $5. You know, a $10 bill can alter the course of my family tree. In these situations, you should always be ready for a move to the downside, but I'm ready. Many people have an optimistic outlook. In most cases, the less liquid cryptocurrency will emerge first when market sentiment turns optimistic. Also, when we examine it, we find, where is it? You can bet that I've got it under control. I thought I had it pulled up. There is a CME gap that's opened in the $53,000 to $54,000 range. This has a real shot of happening, and if it does, it will close the last remaining CME gap. The majority of the time, I'll see that those centimeter-sized holes are filled. This would cause Bitcoin's price to drop by around $10,000, give or take, and it would have a domino effect on all other markets. It would be interesting for me to watch whether XRP makes a surge up here as well. The price of XRP typically experiences a surge just before a swell. I showed you a screenshot from June showing Bitcoin's position around this area in June, so maybe we've seen it before. Plus, X is not Bitcoin. Yeah. This is where you could find Bitcoin. We had to move up to 6,061 cents for a brief bid while XRP was around 52 cents. That means the pre-swell pump might have been that. CoinGate then informs us that XRP might have reached $24 to $31. The article is attached here. The article claims that if EGRA Crypto had taken a more optimistic view of the XRP price, it could increase by $24 to $31. He claims that his elite wave analysis is the foundation for his price targets. We even demonstrate that XRP might skyrocket to $41. He believes this is the place where the ultimate breakout will occur. On it, you can find either your third or fifth wave. According to him, the fifth wave is usually the opposite of wave 4, from 1.236 to 1.618 fab, which is the same as 1 plus 3 waves, or 61.8 waves. Quite intriguing. In any case, if this pans out, I won't be angry or irritated about having told people that I thought the price of XRP will be somewhere between $6 and $9 or $3 and $6 by the end of the year, depending on our actions. Neither should you be angry about it. I'm not mad about it either. Only when you're on the sidelines and someone you follow or your own analysis predicts that something will go up in value from $5 to $15 should you get angry. Otherwise, you'll just sit there, do nothing, and be stuck with the holding for another 4 years. The act of profit-taking has never been resented. Do you recall that? Okay, we get it. The XRP debit card, offered by a Spanish cryptocurrency exchange, offers a cash-back rate of up to 9%. That is completely absurd. A new MasterCard debit card that lets you buy things with XRP has been launched by the Spanish cryptocurrency exchange Bit2Me. The Bit2Me card, which is part of the MasterCard network, allows users to spend XRP at over 90 million retailers around the world, as said in a recent statement. The fact that the 9% will be split among a wide variety of cryptocurrencies was also pointed out. It's intriguing because it will be scattered through other cryptocurrencies on a native toe, not just XRP. Bitcoin, ABA, Polkadot, Solana, Tether, and Ethereum will all have it. The viewer's presence here is greatly appreciated. Bye for now, and please subscribe and like my channel.